guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a almond cherry set. I was using the Apres natural long stiletto, but I did cut them down to like a medium long almond shape. So I'm just going to start with my usual prep. I did remove the shine and use my cuticle bit off camera. I just used my Melody Susie e-file at 5 rotations per minute, and then now I'm going in with the Apres dehydrator, primer, and then a layer of the extend gel. After I apply the extend gel to the natural nail, I'm just going to cure that in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. And then to prep the Apres nails, I'm just going to buff underneath of the nail with my sanding band, as well as on the outer edge of the cuticle area, just to make it more flush with the cuticle. So that's why it looks a little buffed out already. And I am using my Extends hands-free lamp again in this video. I know I keep saying that that demo video is going to be coming out soon. I promise it is, but I've been having so many issues with my storage and my phone. It's been hard to get it up, but I promise it's coming soon. I will say that this lamp already started malfunctioning, and I've only been using it for 2 weeks, but I will get more into that in the extends video. So here I'm just wiping some extend gel on the underside of the Apres nail, and then wiping off the excess of the brush, and then I'll first apply it at the cuticle area, press down at a 45-degree angle. Once the gel has reached the free edge, and then I'll just start flash curing, and I do flash cure for 10 to 15 seconds, just holding down every area to make sure it's taut and no bubbles come up. On the inner side of the Apres nail here, I am applying primer as well as etching it. So I applied the primer, and then I went in with the extend gel, and then like I said, just rub off the excess of the brush onto the inside of the nail. Then apply it first at the cuticle area, push down at a 45-degree angle until it reaches the free edge, and then cure. Okay, now here I'm just reshaping the nails. I accidentally forgot to press record when I cut the nails down, but I just cut them down with the tip cutter, and I cut just below the number on the extension. And then I just went in with my e-file and filed down the sides a little bit because it was looking more like coffin. And now I'm just filing it back out with my 100 grit file. Okay, now I'm just checking the shape and length on the client's view and just gonna make any adjustments that I need to. So this one was like a little bit too wide, so I'm just going back in and reshaping this. After that, I'm gonna go in with my cuticle bit at 8 rotations per minute and just clean up the cuticle area. And then I'm gonna go into my sanding band I think I use that at 8 rotations per minute as well, and just buff up the surface to get ready for polish. Okay, so after I did the 2 coats of each color polish, then I'm just going in with this paint and I'm gonna be drawing on the stems and the leaves for the cherry bunches. This is just some cheap paint from Walmart. It was like 50 cents or $1, but I have a lot of the colors. I used to use this a lot for nail designs, but in this design it came out like a little bit streaky. Sometimes I use gel polish, but like I said in my last video, in the butterfly French tip video, it was coming out like it wasn't coming out opaque, so I just ended up using the full polish brush to do the French tip, and then I cleaned it up. So I wouldn't use gel polish on this design, but I did order some mission control gel from gelxnails, so that would have been really good. I will be doing a video on that, like a nail haul video, because I got like so much stuff. But you know how like when you go to get something online and then you just like go down a rabbit hole and you end up getting this and this. So that's what I did. So I'll be doing a haul on that. I got like some stuff from Valentino, some more stuff from Apres, the gelxnails stuff, and then I got the Kiara Sky jelly tip system too. So I'm gonna do a haul on all of that sometime soon. So to adhere the crystals in this set, I'm using a drop of extend gel, and I just use the dotting tool to put that on, and then I'm gonna flash cure it before I fully cure it in the lamp. And then I'm just gonna go in with my top coat, and I'm gonna be going around the crystals, just not on top of them because it can dull the shine. And then apply my cuticle oil, and they are all done. And if you use the paint like I did for the design for the cherries, then just make sure that you wait for it to completely dry before you go in with your top coat, because it will smear and ruin your design. But I do recommend using a gel paint pot instead of the paint if possible, just to make sure that you can get really precise and clean lines for your design. And after I cured the gel top coat in the LED lamp, then I just go in and wipe it down with some alcohol wipes, and then I'm going in with my cuticle oil. I'm just gonna rub that in, and then here is the finished set. I hope you guys like them. If you did, please like, share, comment, and subscribe, and comment down below if you have any video suggestions, and I will see you guys in the next one.